Good evening, class. My name is Tradingview. We're from class CIDM 3330 with Professor Dr. Sauling. Today I will be talking about Tradingview, the platform where you have free charting and stock market news. So if you have a problem with investing, like we do have, like you want to invest, but brokers and new agencies, they charge hefty amount of money just to provide financial data and charge. You want to create a user-friendly watch list with relevant news to the stock name or ticker in your watch list. You want an advanced platform where you can do technical and fundamental analysis on the stock you want to purchase. So if that's the case, welcome to TradingView, where all your above concern are satisfied. Okay, so here's the web platform. They do offer mobile platform, but in the limit of this, I do only the web platform because that's what we use the most. Here's a web platform. We can have a look at their real life website. Okay, so from here you go to tradingview.com. Here, tradingview.com. This is this is the main page, the UI, the user experience. Now keep in mind they offer a couple version. They have a free version, but you have the option to buy a premium version for $160 a year. They offer discount on Thanksgiving, which is about 50% discount. So keep that in mind if you want to buy the premium version, right? So from here, if you're concerned about stock markets, you can go to the news and you can go to the breaking news, which gave you the newest news in the market all over the world. They gave you news for stock market only. They gave you news for crypto only. They gave you news for forex market only. Now forget this. Now forex markets only, or even index, or futures, or government bond. Just like that, right? Those are the news that you can look at to keep you stay update to the markets to see what's going on. They also offer you a screener. Now this is my screener. I set my screener to the most capitalized stock in the world, and this is the most capitalized stock that came out from my screener. They have a really strong community that support you with your trading and gave you really well informed idea so that you can make the most informed investment decision. Okay, so, and that just the beginning. Now let's go to the chart to look at the chart. What we're looking at right now is the charting. We look at the daily time frame of the ticker of the company named United States Steel Corporation that traded on New York Stock Exchange on TradingView. Now the data is fed 24 hours a day live. If you wanna you look at and if you wanna so here from here if you want to create a watch list, here you want to create a watch list, right? Now this is all the watch list that I already created. I have a list for technology stocks, solar stock, social medias, online shopping, retailer, penny stock, oil and gas, material manufacturing, the index, the future, fintechs, so list for EV. Anyhow, in case you want to create a new list, here you want to click on create a new list, and you can create anything that you want, A, B, C, and it's empty now. If you want to add a new list, a new stock on your list, you can add anyone, such as Verizon, Visa or Verizon. You can add it in, and voila, as Verizon was on your list, and you double click on it, it'll show the chart of Verizon. And this chart, the data they fed is the feed like 24 hours a day live. It updates really constantly. And we're looking at the chart on 1 minute chart of Bitcoin at the moment. Okay, so today we talk about TradingView. And what can it offer for you if you want to invest and you want a free access to news and charts, and you want to have a community that support you with your decision to invest, and you want a good platform where you can do technical and fundamental analysis on the stock or on the investment you want to do, then TradingView is a good option and it's a good choice for you. Even though they charge you for the premium, but there's a free version of that should be good enough for amateur investor or trader. And that'll be it. Thank you for listening to my presentation.